So here we have the GasQuip SF6 leak detector. It's their handheld model, uses the infrared sensor. Take a look inside. We've got an instruction manual, and we have the unit itself, some extra filters, a charging cable, and power brick. And then the actual unit itself. Comes out like that. And on the back. So it takes about 30 seconds to get powered on, so we'll skip that. All right, now that we got the unit powered on, we can see that it has a couple different function buttons here. It has a sensitivity button for low, medium, and high. Reset, peak function, and also a mute. The unit itself has a flexible nozzle, and then on the top we have ports, so that's the charging port, and then we also have a 3.5 millimeter head jack, if I can get that to show, for plugging in headphones if you want to listen to the beeping functions there.
Welcome to this video highlighting the new DigiBridge instrument from HP Diagnostics. The DigiBridge will complement our existing line of medium voltage and high voltage cable testing equipment. With the new product, you'll be able to perform the very important task of testing the integrity of the cable jacket of medium voltage and high voltage cables. In addition, if the jacket fails the test, you'll be able to locate the exact position of the defect using this instrument. Why is cable jacket testing or sheath testing important? The cable jacket provides a very important mechanical and environmental protection sheath for the cable, protecting the critical underlying layers. This is not only important during transport and handling of the cable, but also during storage, installation, and throughout its service life. The service life can be severely curtailed if the cable jacket is compromised. With a brilliant sunlight visible color display, a clear, logical and informative user interface, a special high voltage rated pluggable cable interface, industry leading capacitive loading capability, the DigiBridge packs a lot into a very compact Pelican case that is both portable and lightweight. It also houses a very powerful integrated battery that provides more than 10 hours of operation without the need for AC shore power. When traditional wave fault location methods using thumpers, for example, don't work, like on resistive or bolted type faults or faults on aged tape shielded cables, the DigiBridge method allows the operator to locate the exact position of the fault. There are three modes of operation. The first mode is the cable sheath or jacket test. This test is used for cables that are direct buried or cables that have an outer conductive jacket. The test is very effective and is a pass-fail test, testing the integrity of the jacket. The DigiBridge also has over 10 milliamps of current capability, all the way up to 12 kV of applied voltage, suitable for testing even the very long lengths of cable runs. The second mode is a fault pre-location mode, used if there's a fault detected in the cable. This is effective for both faults in the cable jacket from the first test or from the cable installation. The fault pre-location mode will pre-locate the exact position of the fault, allowing the user to identify the zone or section where the fault is located quickly and accurately. The unit will show the position of the fault in meters, feet, or percentage of cable length. Finally, the third mode is a cable jacket fault location pinpointing mode. For direct buried cables, the operator can then use the DigiBridge to locate the exact position of the fault in the cable using the optional A-frame receiver, using what we refer to as the voltage gradient method. All in all, the DigiBridge offers the user the ability to easily set up, test and locate cable jacket sheath faults. In addition, it is well suited to locate those hard to find cable insulation faults, particularly when other more traditional methods are limited or simply don't work. If you're wanting more information on this product, please be sure to contact us by phone or by visiting our website.
Energy production in the U.S. is changing, and Maddox Industrial Transformer is here to support that change. Our solar duty pad mount transformers are designed and built in the USA specifically to support the ever-increasing market demand of pad mount transformers for the utility scale solar applications. Our solar duty pad mounts are suitable for step-up operation and come with features such as electrostatic shielding, biodegradable FR3 fluid, YY connected windings, current limiting fuses, LBOR switching, separated neutral bushings, and many more. Maddox is committed to delivering the highest quality transformers available on the market with half the industry standard lead time to help you meet your critical milestones. Maddox solar duty pad mount transformers truly are designed with solar in mind.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the cable capital of Germany, introducing STX. No challenger is up to the challenge. STX competes with all low voltage cables and all medium voltage cables up to 35 kV, even paper lead cables. The champion from Mega tips 80 kilograms less to the scales, even with integrated TDR and integrated prelocation. STX impresses with a unique super easy turn and click interface, fully automated control, and a sunlight-proof touchscreen. STX is the fault locating powerhouse with 40 kV DC, 2000 joules thumping at 8, 16, and 32 kV, and a vicious 20 kV burner. STX, take your well-deserved shower with IP43. Let's get ready to fault locate.
Hi, I'm Drew Welton, Vice President of Sales at Intellerent, and we'd like to welcome you to the new product forum. My question for today is, how do we deal with moisture in power transformers? Knowing that moisture is one of the key elements in premature failure of transformers, this is something that needs to be taken very seriously. First is proper detection. We can apply a variable frequency power factor to indicate conductive losses, which could be moisture, and that could be your first indication. Secondly, and most popular, is a DGA or oil screen, where we apply equilibrium curves to find the right mixture of moisture between the insulation and the oil. This really isn't all that reliable, but can give you a good indication. Third, and something that we propose in terms of a rental solution, is a dielectric frequency response analysis approved and recommended by IEEE C57161. So let's say that you do find excessive moisture in your insulation. What do we do next? Well, Intellerent is now proud to announce that we are the exclusive rental partner of Trojan Dryout Systems TDOS 1000 HD. The TDOS system uses high efficiency, self-cleaning and extracting absorbent filters that you can run with your transformer in service. This hands-free self-monitoring system also has a gas removal cycle. It's safe, easy to install, and exclusively for rent only at Intellerent. Please come by our booth sometime during the week and talk to us about how you can rent this solution for drying out your transformer. And remember, Intellerent, you're more than just a transaction. Thanks and have a great week.
Hello, and welcome to the 2021 Virtual NETA Conference. I'm Cody Richards, President of ProTech Equipment Resources. ProTech has been a proud NETA CAP member for many years. 2020 was a tough year for everyone in our industry and our company, but I do think that we have navigated these waters extremely well. We are committed to being a solutions provider within the NETA testing world. Whether that come in the form of rentals, calibration, or asset management, our goal is to serve your needs. We have locations in Los Angeles, Reno, Denver, Dallas, Houston, Chicago, Atlanta, and New York City, with regionalized local efforts when time is of the essence. I want to take this time to give you the latest updates on ProTech. For 2021, ProTech actively continues to upgrade our large fleet of electrical power test equipment. We have added over a dozen new models in the last year, including the Doble M5500 Sweep Frequency Response Analyzer, the newest generation of SFRA diagnostics instruments from Doble, the Hafele 2293 Automatic Transformer Winding Analyzer, which combines several tests into one instrument, mainly TTR and winding resistance. The RH Systems 973 SF6 Analyzer, one of our flagship pieces of equipment. The RH System unit is the standard for SF6 gas monitoring. The Omicron Testrano 600 three-phase power transformer test system, which tests various transformer setups without having to disconnect. The Megger SG32 Portable Cable Fault Location System is an all-in-one solution for 10 kV cable testing. And coming soon in 2021, ProTech will stock the HV Diagnostics, DigiBridge, sheath testing, and fault location device. ProTech has 2 calibration labs in Dallas and Chicago that offer accurate and affordable NIST traceable calibration services for many makes and models of electrical test and measurement equipment. We have recently expanded our capabilities to include calibrating torque wrenches, hired additional calibration technician and sales staff, and added a calibration-specific website. That website is www.protechcalibration.com. In the spring of 2021, we will be opening our 3rd calibration lab, located in Los Angeles, California, to service our West Coast customers. ProTech is also expanding its asset management program. We've made great progress in the last year, understanding our customers' needs in asset management. We can store, calibrate, and maintain all of your equipment and get it to you when you need it. We can also give you insight into data analytics like ROI, yield, and utilization, so you can make educated business decisions. As one of the nation's fastest growing companies and Inc. 5000 member, we are excited for what's in store for 2021. We understand that you need experienced people to align you with the proper test equipment in the right place at the right time. That's why we are the #1 choice for mission critical equipment. We are large enough to serve your needs, small enough to care. On behalf of all of our employees, welcome to the 2021 NETA Conference. We hope you'll join us inside of our booth.
Hi, I'm Brian Bianchi with Utility Relay Company. Today I'm going to talk to you about our industry-leading universal trip unit, the AC Pro 2. So most of you are familiar with AC Pro 2. It's been out for a while now. We launched in early 2015, and today this state-of-the-art trip unit is available on thousands of our retrofit kits. When we design products at URC, we really have 2 key design criteria, and that is to make products both feature-rich and easy to use. Past updates of the AC Pro 2 include Quick Trip remote display, Safety Trip remote trip capabilities. We launched InfoPro software that allow you to program and commission via computer. And most recently, sluggish breaker, which measures the circuit breaker open time. And you might notice a common thread through all of these features is safety. And the updates I'm talking to you about today are also safety related. There are actually 10 new features with this update, but today I'm just going to highlight 3 of them. Firstly, remote quick trip arc flash reduction mode control. So as a reminder, quick trip is a manually controlled arc flash reduction system using separate ground fault and instantaneous settings. Being able to engage and disengage remotely further reduces risk and increases your productivity. Secondly, remotely closing EO breakers. So AC Pro 2 already can open breakers remotely, but now you can close them as well. And you can use, for example, our Smart One Line monitoring system. And then finally, I want to highlight a programmable scheduled maintenance interval. So we believe the key to well-functioning gear is regular preventative maintenance. So our AC Pro 2 can now be set to trigger reminders and warnings that scheduled maintenance is due. It's similar to the way your car works when you need to get an oil change. And you can even include your company name and contact info. So this feature takes the old school reminder sticker to the next level. So those are the updates of AC Pro 2. Be sure to visit us at utilityrelay.com where you can read more about this and follow us on social media. So thank you for your time. We'll talk soon.